How's it going, everybody? Here for a one box break of 2021 Bowman Chrome. Just got one box, so let's see how we do. Pretty quickly, this stuff's going up like a lot. I pre-ordered it a couple days before, and then since it's already up to almost $300 a box, like $270 or so. I guess it depends where you get it from, but at least Blowout or DA have it for that price. So yeah, that's quite high for just a box. To go up that quickly, what? Almost, it's approaching $100 increase in not even a week. So hopefully we get something good here. You get per master box, you're gonna get autograph. So I guess we'll do one at a time. So just to kind of save one autograph for later, hopefully. So let's see how we do. Here we go. Can't remember the last Bowman Chrome I bought. Guess it was maybe 2-3 years ago. Jorge Soler, Jose Ramirez, Tristan Cassis, insert, Bobby Witt Jr. All right, keep that Bobby Witt Jr. All right, J.D. Martinez, Bryce Harper. Oh, that's a pretty nice parallel out of 199. Let's see what we got behind it. Nothing crazy, but that's a nice shimmer hunter green. I guess purple. I don't know what they call it, but it's out of 199. I don't think you can even see it. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see it there. All right. There we go. Let's leave that up real quick. All right. All right, George Springer. This might be the first card in a Blue Jays uniform. I am not 100% certain on that, though. Clark Schmidt. Ed Howard. Pedro Pineda first. Don't know all the names in this. Pedro Leon. 2 Pedros. So I'm not sure of all the good cards here. I know a couple of them. So Joey Bart rookie. Tariq Skubal rookie. And first autograph. Luis Mises? Mises? I don't know how to say his name, but it's the first. No parallel, just a base. So there we go. Let's look at the back. Alright. So there we go there. Last card wasn't anything great there. So let's leave that up again real quick. Alright. Don't know much about him, so we'll have to see if that's a good one. But hey, it's a White Sox Pico. So there's that. If Pico's watching. I know he's a White Sox fan. Alexander Vizcaino. So the rest of this, just probably nothing. Cody Bellinger not having a good year. Gleyber Torres not having a good year. Cole Wilcox. Tristan Cassis. Jeremy Pena. Alright. Let's see how this one is. Let's just take all the packs out. Alright. Mike Yastrzemski, Jose Abreu, Marco Luciano, Tyler Soderstrom, Julio Rodriguez. Ronald Acuna. Taylor Trammell, rookie. Mick Abel, Dawn of Glory. That's a pretty nice insert, I would say. Austin Martin. Matt Manning. Christian Javier, rookie. 4-man futures. Yoelqui Cespedes. It's a White Sox. Okay. Don't know if that guy's good. All right. Couple packs left. Okay, Brian Hayes, rookie. All right. Do we have color? Maybe. Chaz Chisholm. Oh, is this? I think this is a good one. Yo, hold up. Is how you say his name? Leover Peguero Green? What? Hold up. I gotta look up and see if this is a good one. This might be a good one. Oh, snap. I think this is one of the good ones. We'll have to look up and see how much that is. That's 85 of 99. Let's leave that up real quick. There we go. All right. Woo! And we got cracked ice or something. Tanner Houck. Drew Romo. This parallel, I don't know what you call it. Sparkle. I don't know. Can't remember the name. Luis Rodriguez. This might be a good one. Alexander Mojica. All right. No, that parallel was at a $2.99, whatever you call it. I got one of those in Bowman too. I forget the name of it. Nick Madrigal, rookie, last pack. Hae-Seong Kim, Emerson Hancock, 40-man futures, Maximo Acosta, and Riley Green. All right, so that's that. I'll do a little recap. Just parallels and autos. So we got Drew Romo out of $2.99, Speckle, whatever you call it, Luis Miesas, I don't know what's his name, Hunter Green, Purple Shimmer, and a Leover Peguero at a 99. All right, so I would say that's a pretty good box, but I gotta look and see how much that Peguero is right now. All right, thank you guys for watching. Probably won't get another one of these boxes because they're already getting too pricey. So, but there's a lot of stuff coming out soon, so stay tuned to the channel for more box breaks. All right, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.